everyone, welcome to my channel Blink Shop. I'm your crafty host Priyanka. Today I am here with a really different video, like from the normal. We're just doing like a short quick video, and this is the coloring page that my mom made a long time ago, and she made it on a 9 by 12 cardstock, and then we got it enlarged to 2 feet by 3 feet, and this is how it looks like. Let me just get closer and show you. My shadow will fall because the light's coming from up top, but let me just be really up close to it. I'm sorry for the shadow. And then she did start coloring on this side right here, and she did it with Prismacolor. She has a set of 72 Prismacolors, and then for some reason she did not have like a working space to put this big of a size page to poster to color, and that's why she left it incomplete. And then finally she found a table, a desk or a table for her to put her poster on and color. But we decided we are going to mount it on the foam board right here. So you can see this down here. Let me bend down a little bit more. So this part here is the foam board, and then with the help of the masking tape we mounted it on the foam board, and now she's ready to color this poster on her new desk, and she's really happy. We haven't decided yet, but she doesn't want to continue with the Prismacolor, so we haven't decided yet what colored pencil she's going to use. And once I'll keep updating you guys once we find out what colored pencil she wants to use. And like every time I'll just from time and again I'll keep updating how much she has progressed on this coloring poster. Also this picture she decided to call is fruits and vegetable fairy, or a fruits and vegetable doll, but I'm inclining towards the fairy, so it's fruits and vegetable fairy. And this is how she looks like. She has this dress here which has grapes on it. Her headgear has grapes, and then she's holding like a cabbage, and then all surrounding her are fruits and vegetables and some mushrooms. And just this is how it looks like. Let me stand up so I'll give you like a full picture from a little bit far. And I'm again sorry for the shadow of my phone on the picture, but there's no other way I could fix it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I hope you like this video, and I hope you're excited as I am for her to finish coloring this poster. This has taken a long time because she put it aside, but I'm really excited. I hope you are too. Leave me a comment if you are excited to see how she completes this picture. But I'm definitely going to keep updating you guys as and when I get a chance on how much progress she's made on this picture. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your coloring friends, and also with your family and other friends if they are interested in something like this. And I'm sorry that it is kind of in a different angle. I just realized it's going to be in a horizontal, not vertical, but I'm really sorry about that. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. Let me try and see if I can move around like this. Yeah, right here. Perfect. So here is the vertical section. I don't want to show my legs. That's how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, thanks. That's about it, guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.